Hey guys, first video of the channel. Today I painted my Halloween Studios Leatherface chainsaw. I used Perma-blood. I got it from Etsy. As you can see, painted the whole thing. Got the bar. Got everything. Now, you flip this little switch right here. It idles. Pull this trigger right here. And then when you want to turn it off, just flip the switch again. I put some Perma-blood on the chain. I got a little bit on there. Makes it look even better. But yeah, first video. Hope y'all enjoyed. And I'll see y'all in the next one.